In this video, I am going to show you how to update Netflix on your Samsung TV. So watch the video till the end so you cannot miss any important step. Step number 1. Press the home button on the remote control. Step number 2. Navigate to the apps tab which is located right next to the home option. Step number 3. Look for the settings icon at the top right corner of the screen and select it. Step number 4. From the app settings, verify that auto update is set to on. This will automatically install the new version of an app when available. Step number 5. Now browse through your apps and hover over Netflix. Step number 6. From the sub-menu, choose View Details. You will see the current version of Netflix installed. Step number 7. If there is an update available, you will be displayed at the top of the screen. Select Update to install the latest version. Step number 8. Once installed, restart your TV. Ensure that your TV is connected to the internet, otherwise it cannot check for Netflix app updates. Additionally, ensure there is enough free internal storage for app installation. So that's all for this video. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel for more this type of content. Thank you so much for watching.